How to delete an X account. In this video, I'll show you how to permanently remove your X, formerly Twitter, account directly from the X app on your iPhone, Android device, or Samsung phone. If this video is helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel as that really supports me. To get started, open the X app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to open the. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy, then select your account. Next, tap on Deactivate Account. As you can see, your account will be deactivated, and if you don't reactivate it within 30 days, it will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. On this screen, you also have the option to download your data or change your username if you'd like. When you're ready, select Deactivate, enter your X password, then tap Deactivate once again. Your X account will now be deactivated for 30 days and permanently deleted if it isn't reactivated during that time. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel.